students, today we are going to learn about multiplying fractions. Multiplying a fraction by a whole number. First of all, we will learn how to multiply a fraction by a whole number. Example number 1, 3 upon 8 multiplied by 4. 3 upon 8 is a fraction and we have to multiply this fraction with 4. Now we will start the solution. First of all, we'll put the is equal to sign, then we'll copy the fraction 3 upon 8, multiplication sign and a whole number 4. Now, how can we multiply a fraction and a whole number? The rule is very simple and easy. In order to multiply a whole number or a fraction by a fraction, we have to simply multiply the numerator value with the numerator value and denominator value with the denominator value. So here in this question we have just numerator values. 3 and 4 are the numerators and 8 is the denominator. So in the next step we are going to multiply the numerator value with the numerator. Now we will multiply them. 3 4s are 12 and we write 8 in the denominator. Can you simplify this fraction? Yes, of course. 8 and 12 both are divisible by 4, so we'll divide them by 4. 12 divided by 4 equals to 3 and 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. So the answer is 3 upon 2. Now we are going to multiply a fraction by a fraction. Example number 2. First fraction is 5 upon 12, which is multiplied by second fraction 4 upon 2. Now we have to multiply these two fractions. We are going to start doing its solution. First of all, we'll put the is equal to sign and copy both the fraction as it is with multiplication sign. In multiplication, simply we have to multiply the numerator value with the numerator and denominator value with the denominator. So we'll multiply 5 times 4 and 12 times 2. After this, we'll multiply them. 5 4s are 20 and 12 2s are 24. Can you simplify this fraction? Yes, of course. We can divide 20 and 24 by 4. Now after dividing 20 by 4 and 24 by 4, the answer is 5 upon 6. Can you reduce it further? No, it's not possible. So this is the answer of multiplication of 5 upon 12 into 4 upon 2. In this way we can multiply any two fractions. We have to just multiply the numerator value with the numerator and denominator value with the denominator. If there is a possibility to reduce a fraction, so we can reduce it by dividing it with the same number. Can you multiply these fractions? Two sums are given. A 3 upon 14 multiplied by 7 and B equals to 5 upon 8 multiplied by 4 upon 2. Simply you have to multiply the numerator value with the numerator value and denominator value with the denominator values. Good luck and thank you.